Hi there, my name is Brian. As you probably already suspected, H4G buys the products through your supplier account. To set up this successfully, you first need an account at the respective supplier. Your account must have API access. You can find all the necessary links in the documentation at section Supplier Connection. At H4G, first open the Supplier tab. Here you can see all 3 supported suppliers. If this light is green, the API is connected successfully. Let's start setting up G2A. Open the Documentation tab again. Click on the button, Log in or create a new account. Create new API credentials and paste them into H4G.io. For more instructions, subscribe to our channel and never miss any video and stay tuned.